We have created the Orders tab to ensure an even easier sales management for you. It has the most important information and many useful options. One of them is the Settings option, with additional functions waiting for you. The settings are divided into 3 sections: order grouping, email notifications, and actions available to customers. The last section is available without an active subscription. If you want to discover all of the possibilities of a section, activate the basic subscription. Let us take a look at all of the sections. Order grouping is simply label management. You can create new labels and edit the existing ones there. This way, you can easily sort orders according to your individual needs. In the second section, you can enable the buyer to cancel orders. You can also set an automatic payment refund if the buyer decides to go that direction. It is helpful if a buyer makes a purchase by mistake. Thanks to this section, everything takes place automatically and you save time. In the last section, that is, email notifications, you decide if the buyer will receive additional notifications. If you want, we will send them a message when you start fulfilling their order or dispatching it. Please note the option of setting the automatic order status to change to sent after adding the tracking number. You can also set the automatic hiding of canceled or sent orders. This way, you can maintain order in the tab without having to change statuses manually. As you can see, the Settings option offers many useful functions. We hope that the Orders tab in My Allegro will help you manage orders in a simple and intuitive way. Activate the basic subscription and discover all of the features of the tab. Good luck!
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.